If your Panasonic Q's DVD tray opens very slowly or not at all you can hear is a motor running, it is likely your DVD tray belt has worn out or completely rotted away. While working on your Q, you may lose the washers for the gear. If so, the washers are black color, polyslider graphite nylon, flat washer 2.5 millimeter, inner diameter 6 millimeter, outer diameter, and 0.25 millimeter thickness. For the tray belt, it is 50 millimeters half perimeter. The belt should measure about 35 millimeters when laid down and 50 millimeters when pulled, not stretched. While inside, it may be a good opportunity to lube your DVD tray and laser rails with light silicone grease. If you have any questions, please ask.